Very good morning, everyone. Imagine you live in a world with people not in grief danger, with no accidents, and people living their life peacefully. So that's what our model is based on. Our model expresses the accidents happening in narrow lanes. We are the students from St. John's High School, Mohan Nagar, Nagpur, and our model comes under the category of Samruddh Bharat, local community problems.
Basically model is made up of this circuit. This circuit contains the LED light and then LED. This is LED light, LDR sensor. This is cell, speaker, buzzer, switch, and many more. So this is a whole circuit we have made it, and this can be based under the this circuit can added under the basement of the house. As I have shown you in the model, we have added this circuit under the basement of the house. So now it's time to show how it's work. As you can see, this is a sunlight, not a. So as you can see, the car is passing through the sensor. It is blinking. As the light come to it, it stop buzzing. So any vehicle coming from this side or coming from this side can know that some vehicle is entering from this side, so that they can prevent the accident. As the vehicle enters this, the buzzer and the light starts. So here is the model and it's the working.
As you can see, this circuit is used during the night time, and the question arises for the daytime. So this circuit will be used for the daytime. If any vehicle passing from this side and other vehicle is passing from this side, the accident will prevent by this sound. Means the vehicle passing from this sound will automatically know that other vehicle is passing from its opposite side. So, as we all know, India is still a developing nation, and every day 500% dies just because of accident. And we only know that if someone dies from our family, what is our feeling? Every day 500 accidents happen just by this misunderstanding. And to prevent this is our smart solution idea. Thank
Thank
you.
you.